First, we will press the emergency button located in the command post. To remove the air pressure on the right column of the washing rollover, we will turn the red lever a quarter turn to the right and wait for the display to show 0. We manually extract the wheel washers and grease both faces of the guides with aerosol chain oil. We insert and extract the wheel washer to lubricate the assembly. We return the red regulator lever to its initial position. We release the emergency and we press the start or reset button.